Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to Government Private Job Alerts. So guys, today we are going to discuss about Sapiens of Campus Drive 2021. So as you are watching on the screen that BE, BTech and BSc are eligible definitely. So we will be discussing if there is any of the other qualification. So please watch the video till the end, and definitely freshers are eligible, and we will be discussing our job location, eligibility criteria and a lot more things. So watch the video till the end to get all the details, because what happens, students used to watch 1 or 2 minutes video and after that they used to comment, sir, that sir, I'm getting this problem in my application form, or I'm not able to fill the form completely. So I request you, please watch the video completely. You will not get any of the confusions in the filling the form. So guys, after that we have started a government private job alerts, in which we have uploaded I think more than 80 to 100 videos. We are daily covering 2 to 3 government private job alerts, and due to my tight schedule, so that is why I managed to upload 2 to 3 videos only. But if there is any of your exam, like we started our TCS smart hiring playlist also, preparation strategy of last 7 to 8 days, and Infosys strategy also. So in that days, so I'll manage somehow and will make again your preparation strategy. So guys, if you have not subscribed our channel and you are new to our channel, so please subscribe our channel and press bell icon, so that if there is any notification, definitely you will get it earlier. So after that guys, so you can also refer our channel to your friends also, so that it will be beneficial to them also, because I'm not saying that it is beneficial. You can go and watch our comments in the comment section that students are loving us, that's our content is best in our YouTube channel or whatever, because we used to give quality content and less content. We are not covering 80 questions, 100 questions. We are covering like 50 questions, but we are covering 200 topics in that 50 questions. Like we used to explain each and everything. So you can go and watch our TCS smart hiring, and if you are preparing for TCS NQT August or your November session, definitely that are going to be beneficial to you guys. So you can go and watch them. I think more than 30 videos we have uploaded in that. And if you are preparing for Infosys, like any of the Infosys exams, so definitely we have a preparation strategy videos for that also. So guys, that's coming to the topic now, Sapiens of Campus Drive 2021. So we will be discussing all those things like freshers and how much years of experience are allowed and job location, each and everything. So watch the video till the end. So let's start now. So guys, as you can see on the screen, we are on careers.sapiens.com. That is the official website of Sapiens, and I think you are watching there, Sapiens partnering for success. So after that, talking about the job and all those things, so you can see that your position will going to be test analyst. Okay, your required ID is 36732. So while filling the form, you can note this down also. After that, your location is Bangalore, India. So definitely your location is Bangalore. And after that, about us, so I think every one of you is well known about what is Sapiens and what they did for. So you can also read this also while pausing the video also, if you have any issues. So you can let me increase the screen also, so you can see. So this is Sapiens International Corporation, is a leading global provider of software solutions. So I think you got it now, software solutions. And if you want to know more about Sapiens, so you can go on www.sapiens.com. After that, talking about the responsibilities, so you can watch the responsibilities while pausing the video also, or let me read out one or two for you. Review and analyze system specifications, collaborate with QA engineers to develop effective strategies and test plans, and help troubleshoot issues, conduct post-release, post-implementation testing, work with cross-functional teams to ensure quality throughout the software development lifecycle. So guys, you can watch these. These are the responsibilities, and after that, talking about the requirements also. So you can see the requirements. So guys, in requirements, you can see proven experience of 0 to 2 years as a QA, you can say quality tester, or a similar job. So that means 0 to 2 years means you can suggest like 19 20 are definitely eligible, and after that you can try if you wanted to try, like for 2018 if you wanted to try, or 21, so you can try also. There will be a possibility, because what happened, like I think yesterday or day before yesterday we have uh, covered about KPIT exams and test pattern and all those things we discussed in detail. If you have not watched it, so please go, because the exam is on 19, and I guess you can apply it right now also. So we have discussed in that. So that KPIT means, from the official website they mentioned that only 2020 graduates are eligible, but when I talked with the students, or they asked me that sir, 2021 is eligible, or 2022 is eligible, or 2019 is eligible. But what happened, I suggest them that sir, that please, you can fill the form if you wanted to. So some of the students even filled the form by their gut feeling, or you can say whatever, by their luck. And unfortunately they got the test mails also. That means 2019 student got the test mail, and 2021 got the test mail. So that is why I'm suggesting you that you can fill the form if you wanted to, or you can try it by your luck. So after that you can see proven experience of 0 to 2 years and understanding of QA methodologies. See from their programming skills, because many of the students have a little bit problem, and you can say confusion about programming, like is there any programming, we do not know much programming. So you can see programming skills should have basic understanding of any programming language. That means any means you can, if you are well aware about C, or I can say C sharp, C++, or Python, Java, anything, JavaScript, whatever. So that means you must have a basic understanding only, like they are not asking for the expertise getting. After that, maps business and technical requirements into test cases. After that, familiarity with agile frameworks and regression testing is a plus. Ability to document and troubleshoot errors, so you can watch these guys. Working knowledge of test management software. After that you can say attention to details, analytical mind, and problem solving aptitude. After that, see passion for testing and strong organization skills. After that you can see your requirements are BE BTech BSc, getting BE, I repeat, BE BTech BSc in CS is computer science or engineering or related field. That means if you are engineer of IT, not in computer science, IT, or if still if you are an engineer of EC also, so you can try if you know programming language, like basic skills only. So if you are well aware about the basic skills, so definitely you can apply for that. So as I told you about KPIT, so you can check your luck also. After that you can see the added advantages also. So these are ability to understand and write simple access LTS, experience with automation tests such as test complete, RFT, Selenium, and advantage. That means these are not the, I repeat, these are not the requirements, these are the advantages. That means if a person or a candidate is having these qualities, so definitely he will be given a preference. So I think everyone is well known about preference also, means they will be given preference only, that is not requirements. So after that, talking about how to apply, so from there I think you can see the screen. From the screen you can see apply now option, so the link I will provide in the description, so you can apply from there. Firstly you have to log into the page, and after that you have to register if you have not registered it earlier, so you have to register, and after that you have to again log in and fill the form. So guys, this is all about Sapiens. I think this is a good position, so you can apply to this also. So guys, as I told you, we work on quality jobs only. So like as I told you, we have a jobs of Altran also, but their job like their experience is 1 year plus, so that is why we haven't covered it. And we have a lot more jobs also, but we used to cover only the jobs which is really beneficial to more than 99% of our students. I know more than 99% of our students who are watching are freshers, or they are 2020 or 19 pass outs, means they are not even placed. So that is why we used to work on the quality things. So definitely, so I suggest you that if you are job seeker of government or private job, so definitely you can subscribe our channel and press bell icon, so that when there is any update, so definitely you will get it earlier. So guys, this is all for today. We have covered about Sapiens test analyst, sorry. And if you have any doubts, you are most welcome in the comment section. So definitely now we are leaving now, and if you have any doubts, so you can ask. So guys, all the best and God bless you all.